very cold. So guys, hello. We're now here at the airfield in the near of Frankfurt in the middle of Germany, and we will test the V2 of the Vermax with a stronger motor and 8x6 prop, and the wind is very strong. Hopefully it can fly and I don't destroy it, but the next day is also bad weather and today it's really good, so everything's good. Yeah, come on. Okay guys, I don't want to talk much, but in this wind it's a very, very good flight and it will work. Start from the grass. That's very good. So guys, now we're on the water and we want to check out if this bird works on water. Now,
welcome to Evo. Fail-safe not set.
Hopefully it will work. It's swimming. Okay, let us see. Drive a little bit. Ooh. No good idea. No water inside, that's good, but we have to make bigger pontons on the side, but it swim. So guys, hello. Now we are on a water and I've made a new pontons from the side. And I will show you how it works. If it works, I don't know. It's a nice one. They're looking good. We know he's swimming. Motor's off. Now, come on. Oh, that looks very good. takeoff flaps. That was not good, but I think it will work, but I have to take it. Very cold. But the lipo is underwater, not so good. Was my first water flight and yes, that I've not expected, and my problem was it's not allowed here to fly